Before the day fully begins in the Caribbean, there is a quiet moment in the kitchen. A pot gently boiling, green fig slowly cooking on the stove, just as it has in Caribbean kitchens for generations. The scent of herbs and seasoning filling the air, and green bananas cooked until tender. This is more than just breakfast. This is green fig and saltfish, a dish that has nourished generations. Hi, I'm Forsi. Green fig, which is what we call green bananas in the Caribbean or in some Caribbean islands, has always been a part of island life. It is simple, filling, and deeply connected to our heritage. Paired with saltfish, which has its own long history in Caribbean cooking, this dish became a staple in many homes. Not because it was extravagant, but because it brought comfort, nourishment, and togetherness. Growing up, meals like this were never just about food. They were about family, about gathering in the kitchen, about watching, learning, and eventually carrying those traditions forward. There was something special about seeing how simple ingredients could become something meaningful. Those moments stay with you. Today, I prepared green fig and saltfish for my own family. Flaked saltfish, gently seasoned with herbs and peppers. Boiled green fig, soft and comforting. And fresh avocado, bringing balance to the plate. Simple, authentic, familiar, and still just as meaningful today. Food has a way of carrying memory. It connects us to where we came from, to the people who taught us, to the kitchens where tradition were passed down without words. And in preparing this dish today, I am reminded that those traditions continue through us, through our families. And this is Storytime and Cooking with Forsi, a story you can taste.